Good afternoon. Welcome to more of ecosystems and biomes. So far, we have taken a look of deserts or a look at deserts. We've taken a look at some plants and the climate. Today, we're going to take a look at animals. You guys started out by learning that a desert was a place that gets less than 10 inches of rainfall a year. And there's a lot of heat in some deserts, but there's also a lot of cold in some deserts. So what lives in the desert? We're going to take a look at that this afternoon and see what animals live in the deserts. Yesterday, you had a handy dandy map about deserts on Earth, and we took a look at North America, South America, Africa, and even Asia. Now, the answer key didn't kind of give us the things that I wanted it to on yesterday, but I do have a warmer today asking you about some deserts, specifically where we live in these United States. So, on yesterday, we took a look at the Magic School Bus and it took us to the desert. Today, however, we are going to jump right into desert animals. So if you come up here and click desert animals, this is where you'll start today. So Tim and Moby have a video that they will show you all about the desert, and it also focuses on some of the animals that you will see in the deserts, animals that live there, and even how they cope. So the first thing the sub should give you is today's warm-up. There is a warm-up for you. It looks just like this, and it's asking you about the deserts in North America. So if you want to have some fun, you can try and say the names of these deserts. If you're not sure of how they should really be pronounced, ask Mr. Sean. He probably can help you out with that one. Or either ask Miss Davis. She'll be happy to help you as well. If you're not in room 97 and you're in Miss Hoffman's, Miss Burt's, or Miss Spence, ask the ladies about how to pronounce some of these deserts. Miss Burt, I believe, has been to the Mojave Desert. Kalahari is the name after a resort that some people go to, is the water park. So I want you to go through here. There's only one name that should not be. Circle all the deserts that are in North America. So that's your warm-up today. After that, you're going to click here and you will see another website up here with wonderful pictures of desert animals. Here is a picture of the great roadrunner. You'll also see other pictures if you hit next, which is located right here where you see the arrow, and that's the kangaroo rat. This website will give you information about where the rat is found, what it eats is underneath diet, where it lives under habitat, and it even talks about how big the animal is or can get. So go through here and take a look at some of these animals. After that you have finished that, there is also pictures for you to go through and see if you can find some information on any of these animals. If these animals were provided for you on that website, I want you to write 3 to 5 facts about one of these animals that are in the desert. If there were not facts about the animals pictured here, still color them, cut them out, paste them to the page that was left for you, and create a story. Create a story about the desert. What would your story say about maybe the jackrabbit? What would your story say about this coyote even? The coyote was out at night howling at the moon. I do want complete sentences, so go ahead and give it a try. Also, for the second group in room 97 and for those in the gold or purple group, if you would like to create 3 to 5 slides using PowerPoint or Prezi, or if you're familiar with Animoto, then go ahead and create a little video or a presentation on the animal that you select. So the pictures are attached. If that's not enough for you this afternoon, what about a word search? If you say, Miss Thompson, those are just too many names, Well, let's go 2 rows at a time. See if when you look in this very first row, perhaps you see the word jackrabbit. It's written backwards, so be careful. Also, what about the second row? Ostrich. I see ostrich. So, if you've completed all those other tasks and you still need more learning about the desert, please go ahead and give it a try on the web search or the word search. Finally, as I mentioned, Brain Pop, Tim and Moby do have a video for you. You click there, log into Brain Pop, and watch the video on the desert that Tim and Moby is going to present for you. So, happy exploring this afternoon with the desert and the desert animals. I will see you all on tomorrow. There's also another fun website before I go, Wild Kratts Desert Life, and it's on PBS. So if you can't see the web address up here, I can copy the link and also put it on the page. All right, hope you're having fun. Hope you're being responsible. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great green afternoon.